Here's my little offset. So where do we start? So I put these latches on. I haven't cooked in it for a while. And the latches compress the seal, which is that. That'll need replacing when I use it next. That helps a lot because you just want to make sure that no air can get in or no air can get out where you don't need it to. The other thing I did was I laser cut this steel plate and welded that in and installed a latch to keep the door shut like that, because again you don't want air to get in here. The only place you want air to get in is this, so if air can get in through the gap, that's bad. Then the same deal on the cooking chamber with the two latches and the seal. Seal's gone green. Second chimney, so the original chimney's over there, that's my reverse flow chimney, and then inside here there's a steel plate that goes under the cooking grate. But the main modification, which is going to be hard to show, is the firebox is lowered by about 3 inches, because otherwise the top of the firebox is level with the grate, and you don't want that because the heat just comes straight out and you can't put a baffle in, because the baffle obviously needs to go under the food grate. So the only thing you can do is put a ramp that goes down, which lots of people do. If you look on the internet, loads of people have these ramps. They just don't work. I mean, I tried that, and all that happens is the heat builds up in here and it just doesn't get sucked through very efficiently. The draft isn't enough to suck the heat through. So I took the firebox off, welded a strip into the top of the throat opening in the cooking chamber and the strip into the bottom of the throat opening in this. I used pit count to work out how big the throat needed to be, and then bolted it back on. You can see there's tape, the foil tape over the holes that used to hold the firebox there. So I just clamped it on, drilled new holes, put new bolts in, and that's it. And then the only other thing that you will need is a basket for the fire. Makes a big difference. Make sure that there's seal tape between the two chambers so that you don't get smoke or air dribbling out here, because you need to make sure the only place air can get in is that hole, and the only place it can get out is here, or it won't draft properly. So that's important. And then the best format for any smoker ever is centre feed, like this one, where you've got the fire in the bottom and the food in the top. That's the best format. I don't know why there aren't more smokers like this. That thing drafts like you wouldn't believe, like a fog machine. It shoots smoke out about 6 feet out of those stacks. This is an amazing smoker. It works brilliantly. Anyway, hopefully that helped.